In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest application and let's open up some video. I got one video saved at my pins, so I can tap on it to play that video. And here, as you can see, there are no option to download this video to your device, but there is a simple trick how you can do that. So first, tap at video and make it full screen. Now pause the video and move playback marker to the start of the video. And then swipe from the top right corner to open up Control Center, and here tap at Record Screen button to screen record, and after 3 seconds countdown the screen will start recording, and now all you have to do is just hit at play button to play that video. Make sure you played this video to the very end, because now, as you can see, the video is being screen recorded, so just wait until the end of that video. Don't tap on the screen to not bring up that options like playback marker and other buttons. And now, as you can see, video stops playing. I can go to Control Center and hit on that sign again to stop screen recording. Now I can hop out Pinterest and go into Photos. Here is the screen recording video. I can open it up, and now there all I have to do is edit this video. So I can hit there at edit, and first I can trim the start and the end of that video, because here, as you can see, there are Control Center and other stuff that I don't like here, so I just move the edge of that video to trim the start of the video. And also in the same way I can trim the end of that video right here. And now I can hit on done and save this video as new clip, or save this video in that current video file. I'll select the first option, and guys, here now I can tap at play button to see the result. As you can see, I have just saved this video from Pinterest to my iPhone device. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.